In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Hostinger VPS. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to get familiar with the main layout. On the left-hand panel, you'll find the navigation menu, and this is where you'll access the tools and services connected to your account. From that left panel, click on VPS. This will take you to the section where your virtual private server services are managed. If you already have a VPS available in your account, this is the place where you'll be able to see it listed clearly. The interface is designed to make things simple, so you should be able to identify your VPS without much trouble. When you see your VPS, click on it to open its management area. This is the main space where you can begin working with your server. If your server is not fully set up yet, clicking into it will guide you through the setup process so you can start configuring everything properly. This is an important part because the initial setup helps prepare your server environment before you begin using it for hosting, development, or any other project. As you continue, the platform will let you choose your server location. This step matters because the server location can affect performance, especially for visitors or users who are geographically close to that region. In general, you'll want to select a location that makes sense for your audience or your own usage needs. After that, just follow the prompts shown on your screen. Hostinger typically provides a guided setup flow, so the process is fairly straightforward. Read each screen carefully before moving on, and make sure the settings you choose match what you need for your server. Taking an extra few seconds here can save time later when you begin configuring applications, connecting to the server, or managing resources. Once you've completed the prompts, your VPS will be ready for the next stage of configuration. At that point, you'll be inside the management area and ready to continue setting up your server based on your specific goals. That's all it takes to access your Hostinger VPS. Open your account, go to the VPS section from the left panel, click on your server and follow the on-screen setup prompts, including choosing your server location. If you move carefully through each step, you'll be ready to start configuring your server smoothly and confidently.